Hey, Chronicle Crew. So we are here on a very chilly and windy and snowy, weird snowy Sunday in November. What is today? The 14th, 15th?
Something like that.
Something like that. So anyway, we're just kind of in the final stages of
16th.
Getting the van ready to go before we get on her maiden voyage and shakedown for the Karin's grand goodbye tour. And then heading towards Texas to dip across the border and start heading down Mexico.
I wish us luck.
Anyway, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.
And
Really
tune
means
in.
a lot.
And sorry. Go ahead. It really.
I lost my train of thought. So
It
what are
really
you going to
means a
say
lot.
now that you interrupted me? You did.
It really means a lot. I didn't think you were going to say it really means a lot at the end of that.
Why wouldn't it mean a lot?
No, I understand that, but I thought it was.
It means a lot to help our channel grow.
I thought you were finished with thanks for watching. And then you said it really helps a lot. So I was like, oh, that's different. That's fine.
Why wouldn't you? It does help. Please, 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 please like and subscribe and watch.
And share.
Please, 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 please.
Thank you for watching another day in the life of getting our van ready to rock and roll and to start this journey. So stay tuned for the chaos of now getting everything to fit into this van, including ourselves and 3 dogs. Hey, Chronicle Crew, we're just under the bed, where we'll probably be a lot, fishing stuff out, getting stuff. So our refrigerator, and then behind our refrigerator is our toilet that we hopefully will use sparingly. But I have a feeling at night I do go to the bathroom a lot. So now we're just trying to figure out how to get all of our stuff, which really isn't that much, but even when you don't have that much, it's still kind of a lot for underneath here. So let me,
especially when it's 2 people,
show you. I have these containers with lids, and so what I'm thinking is contain probably 2 can, or 1 can go here. So like 1, 2, 3, 4. So probably 4 right here, and then all I need is maybe 4 more, and then that's it. So I think I should be okay. And then Tree will have all of that. We'll be able to come in and out through here. We'll keep you updated as we go along on our packing journey. Boop, boop, boop. Booty, 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 booty. Games, in case we have a game night. And I have this empty container. So we need everything to close. Not sure what this is. Oh, this is our equipment for filming, I believe. Yeah. So, newer. I think that's how you say it. All right. So that fits down there. What's this thing? Sat gear?
That's the Starlink.
Oh.
When you want to use it. We could attach it to the roof rack, but then it could get stolen. You know?
Yeah.
Oh.
All right, let me go see if I have more boxes.
All right, so we're just getting this last L-track up. Putting one of the sort of finishing touches on the van before we get underway. I had ordered these angled L-tracks put up on the ceiling. Karen's big question is why, and I honestly can't tell her other than, you know, I see other people doing it and I see other van builds doing it, and it's got to be there for a reason. I did buy these track form ram ball mounts, but they don't really go into the L slot, the L channel, so I'm not sure what I'm doing wrong there. But it would allow Karin to put her phone on the ball mount, on the ram mount, and then, or her tablet, and that way she could use it when she's lying in the bed. But anyway, you can hang all sorts of things from here if you wanted to with the hooks and D-rings, and we've got a lot of that stuff. We'll figure it out, but at the very least, I ordered them. I wanted to install them before we left, and there you go.
Hey, Chronicle Crew. So it's Wednesday, the 18th of November, and we are packing up all of our stuff into the van. We're going to try to hit the road tomorrow. It'll be a miracle if that happens, but because there's quite a few projects that Tree has to finish. I know I only have about 4 hours to get this done, technically, because then I have to go to work for my last day. So I'm going to show you, and it's not as bad as it looks. It's not as bad as it looks. Judgment-free zone. Judgment-free zone. I will get this done. Mark my words. It's right here. 2 of them. 3 of them. No, 2 of them are fighting. We're having intercourse. The female's like, get away from me, and the male is just chasing her down, like always. And then the other one's like, how did I get involved in this? I just wanted to lay on a branch. Oh, the 3rd one said, bye. Oh, now there's more. Now there's 4 of them. Oh no. Good morning, Chronicle crew. It's go time, finally. And of course, like everybody, we have way too much stuff. And originally, I was pretty much thinking like we'd have a box for cabinet stuff, for kitchen stuff, a box for like bathroom stuff, like medicines and things like that, a bag for clothes for each of us. Then I have just a bag for my computer and books, a couple books for this class I'm taking, and my bathroom bag. So already that sounds like a lot, right? Let me show you. This stuff against the wall, so that's a solar panel. These 2 things on the ends are telescopes. The ladder, this toilet that I could really do without. Oh, we need to bring a generator. All that stuff along the back. And over here is for the motorcycle. This right here is for the dogs. It's all their dog stuff, which we may have to pare down when we get to Massachusetts, but whatever. But of course, I didn't really think about the fact that we need like these lights. This is for internet. Then we have this thing for air conditioning. This stuff's gonna go when I get to my parents. That stuff's gonna go. Actually, quite a bit of this stuff is gonna go as we cross the US, because I won't need my sweatpants and stuff. But what I didn't take into consideration is we are paring down so that we only have 1 bag with some medicines and stuff in it. We're bringing a camping bag that I was unaware of. I guarantee you we'll very rarely camp, and that will be a waste. I'm hoping we can get that on the roof once we get to Massachusetts. And then this other bag, I thought that bag was going to be for like tools and things we would need if like something happens, but that is stuff. But then let me show you this other thing he wants us to take. Let's go look together. Dun, dun, dun. And he still has 2 bags inside with his clothes and his accessories or whatever the hell. Plus, I told my friend I would bring some stuff out to her.